Today we are taking a look at this mini RCA forklift. It's going to come in two colors. I'm going to answer all your questions and show you exactly how it comes. These are all the pieces right over here that it comes with. This is the yellow one. This is the green one in here. So this is how the box is going to come. The reason I want to show you this is because one, the packaging is nice and it's easily wrappable, but you'll also see it comes with all this stuff in here. So it's action packed, lots of tools and accessories in this one right over here. All right, so this is everything it comes with over here. This thing is absolutely awesome. I love this. So first thing right over here is going to be the remote control. There's also an app. So if you want to control this from the whole remote setup from your app, you could do that as well. You just have to download it. So to get this going, these are the individual forks that you could put on to this forklift right here, which is cool. You also have a crane attachment. We got signs over here. They really thought of everything, which I think is cool. We got some stickers over here. You have like happy birthday, Merry Christmas. We also got some of these stickers right over here. So you can put these on your forklift if you want as well. To get this going, super simple. We're just going to take this right over here. We're going to turn it on. So we're going to switch it to the on position. If the fork kind of goes off, you're going to want to just hook it right over here and then put it on just like that, and you could adjust it. This moves pretty much every way, which I think is pretty cool. To kind of get this going, we're just going to press this down. So you see everything is kind of connected. So you could turn the wheels. This is going to turn your wheels, and this is going to make it go forward. So it's pretty quick, which is cool. We also have this little, it comes with these boxes. We also have like a little trailer right over here. So you can put that on the trailer as well. It comes with this pair of tweezers too. So the cool part also is if you see, it's backwards for you. You have this, watch the fork over here. It's going to go up. You can see that going up, and it also goes down, which is really, really nice. So you could definitely put this right over here on top right over here. And then you can put the box over here. And then if you wanted to raise it up, you can see it raising up just like that. So really, really cool. It pretty much has a ton of functionality that you could do here. This remote's super easy. Literally just pull out the tab and you're good to go. So you don't need like additional batteries or anything like this. It comes with this charger right over here. So to charge this is you're just simply literally going to just pick this up right here. And then you could just, there's a little pack right over here, a little plastic piece that goes over. You're just going to open that up and you'll see it's right in there. So it's just a USB-C. Then you just have to put it into a block. Just really, really cool. Again, this comes in the yellow color right over here. And then there's also a green color right over here. I just am super, super impressed by all the accessories that you get with this. It's just unreal. Like it's super real life. Like I was kind of on the fence about this when I first got it. I was just like, like it's just gonna move. I didn't realize the forks would go up and down. It comes with boxes. It has a trailer. It has cones, so you could like go weave in and out of the cones. Just a lot of really cool features that this offers. Of course, we got all the stickers and stuff like that. So an absolutely great toy for a kid, or I don't know, kind of like me. I think this is really, really cool. So if someone got this for me, I would really like this. I used to have a warehouse, so it's be kind of cool to have this. So if you're looking for a great remote control forklift toy, definitely check this out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.